Are you ready to become an exceptional executive administrative assistant? This course is your guide to mastering the skills and knowledge needed to excel in this dynamic and rewarding role. Whether you are just starting or looking to take your career to the next level, this course covers everything you need to succeed. We will explore the ins and outs of becoming an administrative assistant. You will start by understanding your responsibilities and finding the right tools to master software that boosts efficiency. Moreover, you will gain valuable insights into maintaining workplace safety, data protection, and how to manage office operations seamlessly. Additionally, you will discover how to build strong professional relationships, communicate clearly, and confidently handle challenging situations. This course also explores practical skills like project management, planning events, and organizing meeting minutes. You will learn how to manage stress, prioritize self-care, and create a healthy balance between work and life. Plus, you will receive tips on creating a career development plan and negotiating for promotions and growth. This course provides real-world advice and actionable strategies for becoming a trusted and capable executive administrative assistant. Are you prepared to take on this new journey? Let's get started. Enroll now.